How to use the Western Union mobile wallet for transactions. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use the Western Union mobile wallet for transactions. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Western Union mobile application. Now, let us first understand what a mobile wallet is. A mobile wallet provides a convenient way to make payments. They work through mobile apps on your phone, storing money that can be used to pay for purchases in-store or withdraw cash that can be received from the sender. You can send money to a mobile wallet, receive money in your mobile wallet, and pay for your transfer. In order to pay for your transfer, when you are sending money online, you can choose how you want to pay. You can pay by bank transfer, credit, or debit card. Now, to send money to a mobile wallet, money transfers online to a mobile wallet with Western Union is quite easy. Just log into your account or create a new Western Union profile and follow these following steps. Enter the transfer details. Select the country of your recipient. Enter the amount you want to send and then select mobile wallet as the delivery method. Next, enter the receiver's details. Enter your receiver's name as it appears on their ID and other required details for a mobile wallet transfer complete by paying. Pay with your credit or debit card or with a bank transfer. You will get a confirmation by SMS with the tracking number or the MTCN and a notification when the money is delivered. Now, to receive money in a mobile wallet, Western Union offers the option to send money to mobile wallets. This product is currently offered through the partner mWallet service providers in selected countries in only Africa. Simply make sure of the following. Ensure you have an active mWallet account. Next, send your details to the sender. And lastly, receive the money in your mWallet. So this is how you can use Western Union mobile wallet for transactions. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.